Hello everyone, welcome to my channel KtrKathir. Subscribe more videos for learn easily about how to development iOS application, and also tips and tricks are coming soon. Now I am going to we already designed our custom font, how to use custom font in our application. I already posted in on YouTube. You can if you didn't watch that, you can check it on my channel. I am giving on my on I button. Here I already designed like this. I am using a regular Roboto, Roboto regular, Roboto thin, Roboto bold, as well as Roboto medium fonts. We already imported. Here some uh, not a good practice things we done it, like we are setting our font size as well as font name as statically. When we are the label font or else button font, text view, text field fonts, if we are setting like this, means like typing font name every time, means that will be makes, if any missing characters, that will be makes problem. And also font size, that this is the static font size is not good for a application, because of we have various sizes of iPhones, so that the font will be, if same the static 30 is for every phone, means in small size of phone like SC or 5S, means that will be very big. And if we run on a iPhone 11 Pro, means that font will be very small, so the user cannot see that what content you was provided in that font. So we create a one enumerator for setting font names from the on a single place. So I am creating a Roboto font with a regular, medium, bold and thin. And also I create a one variable for font name as a string. This return the string value, switching each fonts regular, bold, medium and thin. We will print each font like here. For medium, I am typing that medium from here. I see that. Now I am customizing this font to Roboto dot font name for bold dot font name. Likewise, I am creating each thing. Roboto font dot regular dot font name, Roboto bold dot font name. This will be help to develop more without any bugs. Now I am going to extend my UI font to use custom font size for dynamic font size to our for a single label, so that I am create a static function, the custom font name font name is Roboto and font size, set a size that is nothing, UIFont.TextStyle. In textile we Apple was provided so many things like mm, like thing, how to tell means like UI font dot text style dot like body, callout, caption 1, caption 2, footer, header. This each font style will be not a same sizes, that will be various size. One is a 32, 27, 16, 15 like that. Now we are going to use this font style for our custom fonts. So I create a font descriptor dot preferred font style, which we need font size like font descriptor okay. This is nothing, we are getting that font descriptor dot point, how much point we need, like 30, 35, 15, whatever we need. This is based on our uh, phone screen size. Font size, no, I'm going to get the custom font name by font name dot font name. There is nothing here. I setting the font dot font name like this, and also I am setting point size. This is my custom font. Now I am returning that font material dot default dot scaled font as my custom font. I am printing my font here. Why the question mark is asking means, if we are creating that custom font, no, so if the font is not available, what can we do like that? If you fix it, you fix like this, set as a return value if maybe null or not, or else you can set as a like this, you can set as like this font dot system font with a style. Yeah, for basic I'm setting like this 27 like this, which means we are going to use that font by changing this font to custom font dot medium dot, this is the body content, and another thing is a custom font dot bold dot, this is a callout, custom font dot regular, this is a title 2. I am setting, now I am going to run this project. Now you can check this, each font sizes was differ and also font style was differ. Now I'm changing this to thin and large size. Yeah, this is how to use custom fonts using text style in our application. This is more uh, effective for this. If you need any fonts, if you need to customize or scale your font size, means use like this, uh, system screen dot main dot bound dot width is differed by 4. This is a medium size of iPhone, and is it like this means scaled font scaled size, like means if you do like this means there's a if coming style text style is 20 means text style size is 20 means if the font size was a font width size was like 4 on 4 means that will be give up to 20. If the font size was a bigger means that font size will will be bigger to 20 to 27. If that font size is be small means that will be give 15. Likewise the font size will be scaled to bigger or smaller. That means now I use a scaled font means that's more effective to each fonts like the likewise. If I run an iPhone iPhone SE or else iPhone 8, now you can check the font both sizes what how much they that will be differ. You can check, right? Based on the screen size, that font will be more attractive as well as a scaled font. This will be used, we can adapt our whole screen with the uh, same style for each font size. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and learn more about how to build an application. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.